How to cancel Vivamax subscription in 2024. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store and you may search for your Vivamax and install it on your device and go to the app and cancel subscription. But I have another method which is very easy. You just need to go to your profile on your Play Store and here you can see payments and subscriptions. Just tap on it and tap on subscriptions. Here you can see I don't have any subscriptions, so I can't really have the option of canceling anything that I've subscribed from my Google account. But what you can do is, if you have subscribed Vivamax, then here you'll get the subscriptions list with Vivamax on it. So just tap on unsubscribe and your Vivamax subscription will be cancelled. So in that way you can cancel your Vivamax subscription. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.